Hello everyone, I am Jyoti Zavre. In this video, I am going to discuss about compression and processing problem. That means defects of tablet, that are capping and lamination, picking and sticking, mottling, weight variation, hardness variation, orange peel defect and blooming. Let us see and these defects mostly observed during the manufacturing of tablet. Let us see the one by one. First one is the capping and lamination. Mostly sometimes fractures are observed at the top of the tablets, and that fractures are responsible for the separation of top or bottom crown of tablet from the main body of the tablet. Capping means sometimes fractures observed on the top of the tablets, and that fractures are responsible for the separation of top or bottom crown of tablet. In this image, this tablet shows the capping problem. Then lamination means tablet separation of tablet into the two or more distinct layers. See that this tablet shows the lamination problems. Capping means separation of top or bottom crown, and lamination means separation of tablet into the two or more distinct layer. Then what is the reasons behind the capping and lamination? First one is the too much fines present into the granules, defective punches and dies, speed of the tablet machines will be the high, and the use of granules are too dry, and air entrapment. These reasons are responsible for the capping and lamination. Then how to overcome, or what is the remedy for the capping and lamination? We can reduce the excessive fines from the granules, and for that we can use the sieving technology. Then we can replace the defective punches and dies. Here we can use the polished or new punches or die for the manufacturing of tablet. Regulate the speed of the tablet machines. Maintain the moisture content into the granules. For maintaining the moisture content into the granules, we can use the hygroscopic substance like sorbitol and polyethylene glycol 4000 etc. Air entrapment problem is reduced by the pre-compression. So, tablet lamination or capping problems are mostly eliminated or removed either by the pre-compression or slowing the tableting rate and reducing the final compression pressure. Next problem is picking and sticking. Picking means the small amount of tablet material removed from a tablet surface by the punch. Picking means small amount of material from a tablet surface get removed off by a punch. And sticking means tablet material adhered to the drywall, and whenever sticking is occur, there is a need of the additional or extra force which is required to overcome the friction between the tablet and drywall for the easy ejection of tablet. Then there are some reasons which are responsible for the picking and sticking. First one is the use of small quantity of lubricants. As we know the role of lubricant in the manufacturing of tablet, lubricants is very important expedient because which are facilitate or promote the easy ejection of tablet. Then second, use of defected punch and dies. And last one is the presence of excessive moisture content into the granules. These reasons are responsible for the picking and sticking. Then what is a remedy or how to overcome this problem? Here we can use the new set of die and punches. Use the optimum concentration of lubricant for the easy ejection of tablet. Then use the dry granules. For drying of granules, we can use the hot air oven. In some cases, use the colloidal silica, which are act as a polishing agent and which makes the punches faces smooth, so that material does not show the stickings to the punches. Means material does not show the sticking. Then next problem is the mottling. Mottling means the unequal distribution of colors on the surface of the tablet. Mottling means unequal distribution of colors on the surface of tablet, and this mottling occurs due to the improper mix coloring agent with the granules, use of different coloration of medicament or drug and excipient at a one time, migration or movement of dye in the granules during the process of drying. Due to that reasons, mottling problems occurs into the tablet. Then how to overcome mottling? Mottling is overcome either by the drying the granules at a lower temperature, by changing the solvent system as well as binder system, reduce the drying temperature and grind the smaller particles. Then next problem is the weight variation. Weight variation means tablet does not shows the uniform weight and uniform drug content. That problems is called as a weight variation. Weight variation means tablet does not shows the uniform weight and uniform drug content. Okay, and then this weight variation is occurs when we use the granules. When we use the different size and granules for the manufacturing of tablet, it means that sometimes when we use the large granules or smaller granules for the manufacturing of tablets, this variation of size of granules definitely will produce the weight variation into the tablet. So to overcome these problems, we can use the uniform sized granules. Improper flow of granules from the hopper to die also cause the weight variation. The next problem is hardness variation. Hardness variation can be controlled by maintaining the weight of tablet. It means that hardness variation again depends on a weight variation. Hardness variation depends on a weight of tablet. Suppose it means that fluctuation in the weight of tablet definitely or ultimately it causes the hardness of tablet. So hardness also depends on a pace between upper and lower punch at the time of compression. Then next problem is orange peel. Orange peel means inadequate spreading of coating solution, and this inadequate spreading of coating solution, these problems occurs due to the highly viscous coating solution. Whenever we use the highly viscous coating solution, definitely tablet shows the orange peel effect, means inadequate spreading of coating solution. Then blooming. Blooming means it is a defect in which blooming means it is a defect in which film of tablet become a dull or hard during the storage of the tablet. Okay, thank you.